How to Make Money with AI in 2024. 7 Best Ways and Top Tools. We've got 15 ideas that can help you earn money with AI. Each of them requires access to an AI tool and some strategic thinking, but each is accessible for those looking to make honest money online using AI. Even if you don't create a business or side hustle out of these, you can still improve your productivity by learning how to use AI. 1. Offer writing services with AI writing tools. Content creation is the lifeblood of almost all digital marketing. Traditionally, it's a process that demands a significant investment of time and creative energy, from brainstorming and researching to drafting, editing, publishing, and analyzing results. AI content writers can help with anything from social media posts to long-form blog articles and reports. However, typing a simple prompt and having AI create 100% of the content for your clients is only going to get you fired and ruin your reputation. You could be the one to unlock this for businesses. Copywriting with AI copywriting is one of those high-pressure writing niches, making it lucrative. 2. Develop apps with AI coding tools. Use AI coding assistants. AI code assistants like Copilot can significantly speed up development tasks. It provides real-time code suggestions, automates repetitive tasks, and even helps debug your code. We love how you can type a comment in your code and line by line, as you tab through, Copilot writes matching code. After you do about 5 jobs, you'll start to get fast at creating these solutions. You might even be able to package it as a plugin or extension that can be even easier to implement on websites for your clients. 3. Manage paid advertising with AI. Digital marketing involves a wide range of skills. It's a more complex process because it requires a deep understanding of different platforms, channels, and strategies, and how they all fit together. 4. Earning as a CRM and sales consultant. Sales operations involve a lot of repetitive tasks, from managing leads, tracking sales, analyzing performance data, and keeping a clean list. It's a time-consuming process that can take away from the time salespeople could spend on building relationships and closing deals. AI sales tools like Apollo, Read Review, Seamless AI, Read Review, or SendSpark, Read Review, can enrich many sales and contact management tasks. These tools can find leads, track sales, analyze performance data, and even provide insights on improving sales strategies. This is a lucrative opportunity because businesses always look for ways to increase their sales efficiency. They need a reliable partner to help them navigate the technology and strategy of it all. These tools are starting to add integrations with AI services from OpenAI and Anthropic. This allows you to help companies infuse their vital workflows with AI insights and decision-making. 5. Freelance as a photo editor. Work with photographers. One of the easiest partnerships photographers are eager to establish is those with professional image editors. Photographers who manage high volumes of photo shoots and images per shoot have long looked to freelancers to help them edit photos. Many AI tools will help you remove backgrounds, replace backgrounds with more aesthetic ones, and help make the photos look better overall. If you're a photographer or a graphic designer, you can leverage AI photo enhancers to increase your productivity and take on more clients. If not, it's not too late to get started. 6. Consult as a data scientist. Thanks to machine learning, tools like ChatGPT are excellent at pattern recognition, which makes them indispensable for data science and research. Data Analyst, ChatGPT's official data and code plugin, streamlines so many data processing and analysis workflows that it is hard to ignore. Consider data niches such as GIS location data, technical SEO and ranking data, business intelligence, BI, medical scientific data, e-commerce product database data, and many more. 7. Provide AI chatbots for businesses. Customer service is a critical aspect of running a people-centered business. However, customer inquiries come in droves and require a lot of attention. This is where AI chatbots can come in and help with the easiest portion of inbound inquiries, then deploy it to your client's satisfaction. We recommend looking into Chatbase, Tidio, see review, and Botsonic, see review, for AI chatbot creation. Botsify is another good option with a white labeling option that is perfect for an agency or freelancer. You can also check out our guide on how to create an AI.